This is a 150 original mile 1993 Ford F150 SVT Lightning, the first generation Lightning owned by the original owner until 2025, where it is now for sale, and I believe it may be the lowest mile example ever offered for sale at a public auction. This 150 mile Lightning is up for auction on Bring a Trailer, where it will be selling with no reserve as offered from Casio Motors. The chassis behaves like a sports car. The powertrain artfully blends spunk and polish. This machine has the uncanny ability to haul a load and to amuse driving enthusiasts. For all intents, the F-150 Lightning is a Mustang GT with a cargo bed. That is an excerpt from the Lightning's brochure, declaring its intentions as an XLT-based sport truck. In 1993, Ford, with the help of their Special Vehicle Team, or SVT, produced just 5,276 Lightnings, of which this is number 1,649 noted by the official Ford certificate. The 1993 Lightnings were finished in bright red like this one, or black, with just 4 available options and equipped with factory modifications which would improve performance driving with minimal impact to the truck's hauling capabilities or the ability to be a truck. Under the hood, SVT chose a special Windsor 351 cubic inch or 5.8 liter V8 featuring a high lift camshaft, GT40 cylinder heads, high silicon aluminum pistons, a tuned tubular intake manifold, electronic fuel injection with a high flow capacity pump and injectors, tubular exhaust manifold, and dual exhaust system. Ford also recalibrated the ECU, which reportedly improved throttle response, yet also improved fuel efficiency with an estimated 12 miles per gallon city and 17 miles per gallon highway. The SVT V8 was rated for 240 horsepower and 340 pound-feet of torque, paired with an E40D electronic 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, recalibrated to handle the extra torque, and fitted with a lightweight 4-inch aluminum drive shaft and 410 rear axle with a limited slip differential, sending power to the rear wheels. Ford stated the Lightning had a curb weight of 4,313 pounds and could achieve 0 to 60 in 7.6 seconds. In a period 1993 car and driver comparison test, they reported the SVT Lightning achieved 0 to 60 in 7.2 seconds, with a quarter mile in 15.8 seconds and a limited top speed of 110 miles per hour. Car and Driver compared the Lightning to the Chevrolet 454 SS and stated they preferred the Ford over the Chevy, even though the SS was a tenth of a second faster. The exterior of the SVT Sport Truck was also updated, fitted with a functional front air dam with integrated fog lights, performance blue Lightning decals on the sides and rear, and rolling on silver 17-inch aluminum wheels. This particular truck is also equipped with 3 out of the 4 options: the iconic rear tubular bumper, the electric power adjustable black side mirrors, and the sliding rear window. Underneath, SVT re-engineered the suspension to preserve load capacity and ride quality, but lowered the ride height to improve cornering and maneuverability. The Lightning was fitted with specially tuned Monroe GP shock absorbers with special stabilizer bars front and rear, and the steering was revised with an improved response power steering control valve. Inside is an XLT interior, now fitted with 6-way adjustable bolstered dark charcoal cloth performance bucket seats with lumbar and thigh fine-tuning adjustments and Lightning embroidered in the headrest. Ford drew comparisons of the interior with a luxury focus similar to that of the Ford Thunderbird Super Coupe. Additional features include the iconic Ford green backlit instrumentation, a perforated leather-wrapped speed control and tilt steering wheel, a 6,000 RPM tachometer, a 120 mph speedometer, and odometer reading 150 miles with an array of secondary gauges. It's also fitted with an electronic AM/FM stereo with cassette, digital clock, and 4 speakers, air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, interval wipers, light and convenience group, and more. You can find this bright red 150 original mile single owner 1993 Ford F-150 SVT Lightning for sale, up for auction on Bring a Trailer, where it will be selling with no reserve as offered from Casio Motors.